employee working for me who had a quite different personality than mine, and we were frankly having very difficult time working together, and yet the employee was a valuable asset to the company. So after both of us had taken the class, separate groups, we found we could interact and speak a common language and begin to understand where our strengths and weaknesses complemented each other. So it was very beneficial in that respect.
My company definitely sees the value in increased morale, increased productivity. We do a lot of team-based work, and when you work and play well with others, it's got to be a good thing.
I would have to say it is the best program that I have ever attended. I brought back so much with me when I came home. It definitely changed my life. It made me look deep inside of myself and things that I needed to do to make me stronger as a person.
Certainly, as far as motivating my team, we are a much more productive group together and have a lot more fun at work, which I think is important. I never really thought that was important before. This workshop has definitely helped my stress level, and therefore the productivity and happiness of the people that work under me.